So we're coming down to the business end of champs now. A lot of this will be for pride. To a great extent, positions determined.
Excelsior, Port Antonio, the Queen's School, HOLMWOOD Technical, Edwin Allen, Manchester High, William Knibb, and Alphonsus Davis.
Record holders, Alphonsus Davis, Manchester, looking strong from the heats.
Fastest in qualifying, Manchester High, 4:06.64. They go in lane number 6. Remember the 1600 sprint medley. They go 400, 200, 200, and then finish with an 800-meter leg. Alphonsus Davis going out fast in lane number 8. Manchester High steadily tracking down the back straightaway with Edwin Allen and HOLMWOOD Technical right there with them. William Knibb falling back ever so slightly. So Alphonsus Davis, HOLMWOOD Technical, Edwin Allen, and Manchester High. Very good opening leg this for HOLMWOOD Technical. Manchester High starting to rally down the stretch. They make their way up to the first change. Who will change first? It is HOLMWOOD Technical ahead of Alphonsus Davis, Manchester High, and Edwin Allen.
Great opening leg for HOLMWOOD. They make the change first, but Manchester have responded on this second leg, and they are motoring down into the backstretch. Edwin Allen taking closer orders now, but it's Manchester and Edwin Allen, HOLMWOOD. Edwin Allen going by them into this exchange.
Fabulous first 200 leg for the Edwin Allen team. They mean business. They've really been efficient on the final day of the ISSA GraceKennedy Boys and Girls Championship. That has helped to take them away from Heidel. She is running in lane number 3.
That's crazy though. So she should have been in lane number 1. She's going to have to come across the lane 1 to her teammate. She's slowing down drastically, ran way longer than she had to. See, she still has to cut across over to lane 1. Now this is where this leg alone, the 800-meter leg, is as long as the 3 previous legs. This is what matters in the medley.
2 steps taken on the inside of the track by the Edwin Allen team.
Strictly speaking, the rule says once you step off the track, you can be disqualified. But if she can demonstrate that she was forced off the track by athletes, she's safe.
HOLMWOOD Technical with the lead ahead of Alphonsus Davis. The Queen's School with Latoya Williams now in 4th, with Manchester High slipping in 2nd. Edwin Allen moving quickly into 3rd. Alphonsus Davis back in 4th, and quick to the Queen's School back in 5th. Looks like Karita Rose on the anchor leg for the HOLMWOOD Technical team.
Well, I've seen Jovi Rose, it looked like running the anchor leg on a 4x1 this evening. If you're a Rose girl, you run anchor legs.
Yeah, Venetia Pommels of Manchester, she takes them to the lead. A big anchor leg yesterday to qualify them for the final. This final very much quicker than it was yesterday in qualifying. Rose, Pommels, they go to the line, the bell lap, with Manchester in the lead.
Under 400 meters to go. Karita Rose, the younger sister of Jovi and Sydney Rose, now being overtaken by Pommels of Manchester High. Edwin Allen right there as well, with Alphonsus Davis off the pace in 4th, and the Queen's School with Latoya Williams back in 5th position. 250 meters to go.
Yeah, Manchester, they continue to lead. They took Pommels out of the 800 meters and sent her here to secure a medal, and looks like they will do that. But what color will it be? Manchester, they lead with 200 meters to go. Edwin Allen right on their heels.
It's going to be a kicker's race, Ricardo, with 150 meters. Who goes first? And it looks like Rose. She makes the first move.
Karita Rose on the outside, and it's HOLMWOOD Technical who will transition with the slight advantage. Pommels though for Manchester High, pouring it on down the stretch. This is going to be a fine finish, but it's Manchester High stepping away from HOLMWOOD Technical. Pommels with a big ankle leg run, and they win the Sprint Medley Open. 408 flat, not even as fast as they did in qualifying, but it didn't need to be. Manchester High with the win ahead of HOLMWOOD Technical and Edwin Allen.
Edwin Allen actually fell to 4th as Alphonsus Davis came up to grab that bronze medal. And this is one of those events, though, Ricardo, and let's make sure the world knows, where the heats can be faster than the finals, because in the heats, the girls, the teams know, the boys as well, that they're running to qualify by time only. So even when you're leading a relay, you'll continue pushing to make sure that your time is good enough. In the final, you're not running for a medal.
Manchester High with the win over HOLMWOOD Technical. Yes, Bruce Alphonsus Davis coming through for third. The bronze medal just ahead of Edwin Allen, finishing fourth.
So here we go with 200 meters left in the race. And I think Rose is going to make her move in about 150. But Palmels was waiting on her. Again, this is a race for a medal and points, not for time. So Palmels was willing to wait and rely on her kick, and her kick delivered. Look at Alphonsus Davis way off the pace at this stage. But with Edwin Allen fading, she was going to catch her right on the line.
Yeah, Venetia Palmels, a very smart decision from the coaching staff at Manchester to put together this strong team so they could get a big gold medal. She anchored them brilliantly in the heats, got the baton in fourth position, anchored them home to victory.
4 minutes 08.10 for Manchester High. HOLMWOOD Technical 4:09.48. Alphonsus Davis taking bronze at 4 minutes 10.34. Edwin Allen, the Queen's School, William Nib, Port Antonio and Excelsior High also scoring.